we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
There is no definitive age to stop burping your baby, but as your little bundle gets older and his digestive system becomes more mature, burping will become less of a necessity, says Dr. Landau. You'll likely see this change around 4 to 6 months, when your baby starts eating solid food.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.